Hi everyone, today we have the software called Expert Sender SA, and this is the best data-driven marketing automation software. So before we jump in, you can head over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses onto the platform Expert Sender. So let's just begin. Now jumping on to the platform, you can see basically since this is the data-driven marketing automation software, it is going to be providing you these amazing features for workflow creation and automating your daily marketing tasks. You can add your marketing automations, you can add your personalizations, email marketing and email campaigns. Everything is basically pretty much possible into here. You can also get your data management and analytics done. You can see the dashboard, you have your RFM dashboard and much more. So you can see it is trusted by a lot of people as well. Now the products that it offer are basically marketing automation. Like for example, if you head over to that, you can see its dashboard. They have this really nice versatile type of dashboard going on, and you can see we have 400 plus ready to use templates, 99.6 deliverability rates and 75% average open rate. So a really great platform. You can see we have all of these automation creation features available onto the platform as well. You can add your trigger scenarios based on the behaviors that you would like to implement. You can also recover abandoned carts, add recommended products and send drop notifications and much more. So you can go try this platform. And talking about its reviews, let me show you that as well. Expert Center, the best tool for digital marketing. Expert Center, empowering marketing automations with cutting edge solutions. So you can head over to the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto the Expert Center S8 platform. So if you subscribe to our channel, that will be highly appreciated. Stay tuned for more videos like these and see you guys later on.